Pretty soon, many Windows devices will be automatically updated to include Microsoft Copilot by default. We'll help you determine if this is a helpful upgrade or an unwanted distraction as we sit down and sync up with Rocket IT's weekly technology update. Hello everyone, I'm Chris Swinson, Technology Insider at Rocket IT, and this is Sync Up, your home for the latest tech news. So let's start with the basics. At its core, Microsoft Copilot is an AI assistant that currently works for the most part inside of your Office apps. It can help draft text in Word, create slides in PowerPoint, analyze spreadsheets in Excel, and even take on some repetitive tasks that usually eat up time. The whole idea is to make the tools you use every day work faster and smarter. And now, Microsoft is aiming to break from the apps and incorporate Copilot directly into the Windows operating system. The rollout begins in early October and should wrap up by mid-November. When it arrives, you'll likely notice a new icon in the Windows Start menu. For some organizations, this could feel like a step forward. Having Copilot show up automatically means employees get quick, centralized access to AI tools they already might be licensed for. That could also translate to faster workflows, more productive meetings, and less time wasted on routine tasks. In a sense, the app could be a welcome addition. But not every organization is ready for Copilot just yet. For teams that haven't trained staff on how to use AI tools, the sudden appearance of a new app could cause some confusion. Some leaders may want to set policies around what Copilot can and can't be used for before rolling it out. And in environments with stricter IT controls, there's always a preference to decide when and how new software gets introduced. To give businesses that flexibility, Microsoft included an opt-out. In a Microsoft 365 Message Center update, the company explains that admins can turn off an automatic installation in the Microsoft 365 Apps Admin Center. All it takes is signing in, going to customization, then device configuration, then modern app settings, and unchecking the box for Copilot installation. So whether you choose to use Copilot or hold off, one thing remains certain. Microsoft is pushing AI deeper into the workplace, and this is just the beginning. And that's where having an IT partner like Rocket IT helps. With the right guidance, you can roll out new tools at the right time, prepare your team to use them effectively, and make sure updates like this improve productivity instead of creating confusion. For help, reach out using the link in this video's description. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell to catch us on next week's episode of Sync Up with Rocket IT.